Hey everybody, I've got Greg Hanner here. He's our president-elect, and he's got a tip for all of our Sentrilock box owners.
I do. In a video link that Susie's going to put below, lock boxes have batteries in them. We need to get the lock boxes up, the batteries changed because they are at the end of their life. They only last about 3 years. So check out the link below. My verbal code for the battery was incorrect, but the link is correct. I prefer to just get the replacements myself. But Susie, you have them here for free?
Yeah, you can just stop by the board or call Stefanie ahead of time, 860-892-2595. Come on by. We've got the free batteries here, and Stefanie can help you as well.
But the key is the lockbox needs new batteries, and it's going to not open, especially for people that you give one-day codes to, because the first thing that happens when the battery's going dead is the box loses time. The one-day code people, they put a code in, it doesn't know what time of day it is, they're locked out.
You were mentioning at the board meeting that you and Marilyn both have seen a few of those, right? So the time
Absolutely.
is now to get those batteries changed.
Yeah, and it was last I think it was April that I did the video link below. So the firmware reference also, I think, is even outdated. So update your batteries, update your firmware.